What is going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to get rid of controller wobble on the Legion Go. So as you guys can see, this side feels very sturdy. It's basically it has no play. I mean, there's very minor play to it, so it's barely wobbling. But this side, I mean, I have fixed it, and I'll show you guys what I mean, but it was somewhat bad, like around as bad as a Nintendo Switch Joy-Con. And on a brand new device, I don't particularly want to see that. So I'm going to show you guys, for the people with that type of issue, how to fix that issue. So yeah, as you guys can see, Jesus, when you remove a controller, you can see little marks on it, and those marks are from the rubber that Lenovo puts on it. Sorry about the autofocus, it's not working too well, but you guys see the rubber that usually goes on it. And there is some here, even though I have the wobble on the left side, but apparently it's not thick enough. So if you can find a thicker sheet of this rubber, then by all means you can go that route, but I ain't trying to do all that. So what I did do is I put electrical tape there because it's black. You know, I don't want no duct tape. That shit is gonna look pretty disgusting, feel me? But look, black tape, it's pretty comfortable when holding it like this. But I did not do it on the other side, so we're gonna do it on the other side. I'm not sure what this hole is for, but we might cover it. So yeah, guys, what you guys want to do is you want to just get this to focus. You want to pull some of it out, and you want to make sure you get the correct dimensions of, they don't got to be spot on, but pretty close dimensions to the rubber gaskets over here. So yeah, and you guys want to get a pair of scissors too. Let's say it's around this much. I'm gonna pull out around this much right here. So let's say that's an inch. And now we're gonna see if it lines up first. So it's a little tall, but it fits. So let's actually shorten that. Okay, so you guys can see it's basically a square at this point, and you guys just want to make it thinner, otherwise it wouldn't fit on the controller. So you guys can see how thin I've made it now, and you just want to stick it right here. I don't know what the hole on this controller is for. I'm sure it don't got a fan, but I'm not sure. I don't think I'm very positive it's okay to cover it. But if you want to not cover it, then by all means do so. And then you just want to tape it. It doesn't have to be super symmetrical like mine is it. But yeah, now we're going to go ahead and, you know, connect the controllers. And I do want to state that it gets a little bit more difficult to slide the controllers on, but that thing is not moving anymore. You guys cannot see the play. The Nintendo Switch, that thing is gonna wobble a lot. This is solid. It actually wobbles even less than the right controller now, so I'm super happy with this mod. Very easy, very cheap, very affordable. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Let me know if y'all want more videos like this. I'm trying to test out different niches. If not, I'll just get right back into fixing. Oh, you know what? This is pretty similar to that Joy-Con video. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. As you guys can see, that wobble is non-existent, and I'm about to have a fantastic time playing on the Legion Go now. Even though I already did, it's only gonna get better now, because this not gonna bother me anymore.